Alright, y'all, here's my vehicle. This thing is huge, and this is only the 75% scale of the full size Inline 6 and vehicle, so the full size version would be bigger than this. But we got steering capabilities, got the gearbox. It's only one gear, but still my gearbox, my first ever gearbox. Never had to make one until now. Got a differential, my first differential, which is crazy. Right now the flywheel is connecting the engine shaft to the actual gearbox to put power to the back wheels. Usually my engine ran clockwise, but I had to make the timing backwards so it could reverse and go counterclockwise so it can rotate the back wheels in the right direction. But this thing looks good. Did not run it yet. It's about to be my first run. Look at it. This is crazy. Especially the steering. This is crazy. And we're gonna see what this thing can do. Let's hook it up to the air compressor. Alright, here we go. Alright, now that we got some power to the back wheels. Oh yeah, and these things are not glued down, so things can kind of still come apart. Alright, y'all, we had this thing on the floor. Alright, and it's self-starting, so all we gotta do is start blowing air through it. Let's see what happens. Oh snap. Alright, so we got it to run, but it was just going in one direction. Let's see if we can get it to steer. Alright, here we go. Oh, hold on, we could probably do some donuts. Wait a minute. Wait. The steering is coming back loose. Oh man, the differential came apart. See, I didn't glue everything down, so you know, it's kind of, things can still come loose. Hold on. Alright. Oh man, bro, the differential keeps coming off, but it's trying to do a donut. Yo, this is crazy. Actually, this is actually crazy. Yeah, this is one of the best things I've created in my life. All right, we should be good. Yeah, it don't like that higher. Alright, we added some spacers right there to keep that differential from sliding back. And let's see if we can get some better performance. Oh snap, it did a donut. Hey, okay. Other than the wheel falling off, you know, it's just not glued on. But bro, this thing is crazy. Okay. This thing working still? Alright, y'all, so we had to cut that one short because this thing is now seized in there. I tried to hit it out. Now you can see it's kind of damaged. I was trying to get it out of there, but it's actually stuck. I guess because I did not lubricate anything, so that one right there was spinning as fast as this engine. So I guess what happened is it just maybe overheated and basically welded itself together with this plate thing right here, and it seized up. And now I probably have to make another one of these and make sure I add some lubrication next time. Alright, we reprinted that metal part right there, and also what I did is reduce the gear ratio, so now it's just a 6-to-1 to the wheels instead of like a 11 point something. So that means this thing's gonna make the wheels spin a little faster, and it's gonna use a little bit more power. We added tape to the wheels for more traction, and here it is. Let's crank it up. Bro, look at the tires.